Federal agents are caught in a dangerous crossfire as Trump's immigration policies spark chaos in American cities. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these agents being set up to fail? Former ICE Director John Sandweg thinks so, and his insights are raising eyebrows across the nation. In a recent interview with CBS News, Sandweg revealed that federal agents, including those from Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, and the U.S. Border Patrol, are being placed in situations they're not trained to handle. These agents, typically deployed to combat high-risk threats like drug trafficking and human smuggling along the U.S.-Mexico border, are now patrolling urban streets in cities like Chicago. The result? A series of high-profile incidents, from vehicle crashes to forceful takedowns, captured on cell phone videos and shared widely online. And this is the part most people miss. These agents are trained to use overwhelming force in high-risk environments, not to navigate the complexities of urban law enforcement. One particularly alarming incident occurred on Chicago's South Side, where federal agents deployed tear gas on a crowd following a vehicle crash. This event prompted a federal judge to order agents in Chicago to wear body cameras, a response to a lawsuit alleging excessive force against protesters and journalists. Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker praised the judge's decision, predicting more legal challenges against ICE and Customs and Border Protection, CBP. Sandweg argues that the Trump administration has placed these agents in a terrible position. He emphasizes that the issue isn't with the agents themselves, but with the administration's decision to deploy them in environments where their training and tactics are mismatched. These agents don't belong in cities, Sandweg stated, highlighting the disconnect between their specialized training and the urban settings they're now operating in. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, which oversees both ICE and CBP, defends its agents, claiming that videos of these incidents show a growing and dangerous trend of illegal aliens and agitators obstructing and attacking law enforcement. But is this a fair assessment, or are agents being forced into situations that escalate tensions unnecessarily? Jerry Robinette, a law enforcement veteran with 34 years of experience, describes the situation as stressful for both protesters and federal agents. He notes that agents are under strict orders not to back down, even when confrontations turn extreme. Robinette believes the U.S. is in uncharted territory with these immigration raids and the protests they've sparked. "We've never seen anything like this before," he said, underscoring the unprecedented nature of these clashes. Here's the burning question. Is the Trump administration's immigration crackdown creating a powder keg of conflict, or are these agents simply doing their jobs in an increasingly hostile environment? And what does this mean for the future of law enforcement and immigration policy in America? Share your thoughts in the comments. This is a conversation that demands diverse perspectives.